My name is Varadan. I represent the Biomedical Engineering group in Applied Mechanics and Biomedical Engineering department. So we have this new program that we call as Instrumentation and Biomedical Engineering. Why now? Why this? Because Biomedical Engineering at IIT Madras as part of the Applied Mechanics department has been in existence for the last 52 years. Since 1973 we've been part of the Applied Mechanics department. Why do this now? Because there comes a time when your time has come. Like they say, I kept telling my colleagues, I lead the Biomedical Engineering group. I kept telling them that no one can stop an idea whose time has come. That time has come. Why? Because it turns out that biomedical engineering in the next 5 years is in India, I'm just talking about the Indian market, is the $30 billion opportunity market. And it turns out that 80% of these medical devices are being imported. And when you say imported, so that means that we are actually making the other 20% is what we would think. So what are those 20%? We dig a little deeper and try to find what is the 20% of the things that we make. So we do, Indians, we do make some 20% of things. What are those things? Can anybody guess what are the medical devices that we make in India? Any medical device you would have seen, right? Medical devices that we make in India. Those 20% includes things like bandages, sutures, blood bags, stretchers, linen. These are not medical devices, but for some classification purpose are classified as medical devices. What to me as a biomedical engineer constitutes a medical device is something that involves core engineering in it. Has an electrical instrument that measures or provides treatment. That to me is a medical device, and that is the 80% opportunity, and that almost that entire electromechanical imaging instruments, big instruments, small devices, wearables, everything is imported. That's a huge opportunity, and the government is interested in reducing this import burden. And we, as the leading engineering institute in the country, thought this is the time for us to rise to the occasion and build this program. And we put the student at the center of our world when we designed this program. So this is essentially an electrical or circuit-oriented engineering branch that focuses on biomedical engineering applications. So this is the reason we call this as instrumentation and biomedical engineering. It's not biology per se. So the students learn enough biology or physiology as we call it, or regulatory affairs and safety protocols course as part of your program.